Today I am baking bread for the fourth time. Last week I didn't get any new suggestions, so today I am winging it again. So let's go. The ingredients are same as always, but today I'm gonna try and knead the dough more, so let's start making yeast. Today I'm putting only sugar because every time I made with flour, and today I'm just trying differently. This looks much different. I saw that people make more wet dough, so today I'm using 1.5 cup of water and 2 cups of flour. So let's do that. Let's add salt before I forget. And now let's add yeast. Even after mixing, this still seems smoothie and not like a dough, so I will add more flour. I added all the flour, so this is around 3 cups of flour. This is now 3.5 cups. This still seems a bit too wet, so I'm going to add a little more flour. Okay, this now has a consistency of dough, so I'll try and knead this now. Okay, I tried to fold it on itself, so it traps bubbles, like some people told me to do it. Okay, let's now wait. Okay, let's see if the dough doubled. Okay, it looks bigger, but I'm still expecting to be much bigger. I saw people do the fist test, and it bounces back, but very slowly. It looks better than it was. Okay. Okay, and let's now put it in the oven. I will put it in oven at 200 degrees again, but at the second half of the baking I will put it on higher temperature for a better crust. Let's do it.